What's up, everybody? Welcome to Phyzicz Cribs. Welcome to Casa de Jordan. We will be touring the house, looking at all the physics-related objects, and talking about their usefulness. Welcome to the kitchen. First item we're going to be talking about is this bad boy right here, my refrigerator. The fridge has four major components. The inside space where everything is kept cool, the coolant, the motor, and the radiator, which are at the back. And unfortunately, I'm not moving my fridge for you guys. The coolant is where all the action takes place in this refrigerator. Starts off as a liquid, and goes through these pipes, and takes all the hot air out of everything inside the fridge to keep it all cool. After it absorbs all the hot air, it becomes hot and turns into a gas. The gas is then carried from the motor to the back of the fridge to the radiator. The radiator radiates all the hot air out, and the coolant turns back into a liquid and starts the cycle all over again. Kind of like a circuit. That's it for the kitchen. Let's take a look downstairs. Alright, so here we got the basement where the... Ross?
Oh, hey, man.
What are you doing here?
I heard you were hosting a physics show today, and I just thought to myself, I want to be in that. So I just let myself in. I hope you don't mind.
Oh, alright, yeah, that's fine. I was just about to talk about the pool table anyway. You think you could explain a little bit of the physics that's going on here?
If you insist. The physics behind billiards involves the collision of billiard balls. When these two balls collide during a game, the collision is nearly elastic. For a simplified case, assuming that this table has no friction, which is a lie because it does have some friction, we can combine this fact with the elastic collision assumption to find the trajectory of the two balls after collision and connect it to the main purpose of the game, shooting the balls into the holes. Don't take my word for it though. Check this out in action. I call strikes. I'm in this guy's house more than he is, so I think I'm more qualified to show you around Phyzicz Cribs. So just follow me. Let's go. This is the garage. Hey Jordan, seeing as this thing's the coolest thing in this garage, I need to show you the physics of this bad boy.
If you insist.
Hey yo Jordan,
What's up, man?
show me a hippie jump. Heard those things are sweet.
Alright.
You know, Jordan, I feel like since you're riding on a horizontal surface and you're at a constant velocity, when you jump straight up without exerting any horizontal force on the board,
Yeah?
it allows you to fly through the air at the same horizontal velocity as the board.
Wow. Yeah, because horizontal velocity doesn't change, right?
Yeah, and as a result, the board remains directly below you, and you're able to land right on top of it.
That's nuts.
That's crazy.
Hey, Ross!
What?
You want to see how much momentum I have?
Why not?
Alright.
Yo, Jordan, get your board, buddy. That's a steep hill.
See? The momentum is conserved between myself and the board. When I step off, it just keeps on going.
Yes, it does.
1 hour later.
Man, I don't. Wait, yo, when's the cameraman coming back? I'm starting to get cold. He said he was getting gas about 30 minutes ago. I don't know why we're filming our own physics cribs now, man. I don't like this.
It's pretty depressing.
Do you want to just go inside and you can show me the last thing? It's kind of cold in here.
Yeah, I mean, since I'm done showing off my sweet ride, might as well just go and show you, you know, the old rust bucket. I was looking to sell it, but no takers.
No takers? All right. Hey, is that it?
There she is. Alright, well, here she is. Big Red herself. Yeah, I've had her since '66, but don't get much use of her anymore. Surprisingly, no one wants to buy her either. I'm looking to get rid of her with no takers. Anyway, I'll be running down the physics of a combustion engine here. Every engine has cylinders, and most cars have 6 cylinders. I mean, this one only has 8, so like, that's probably why no one wants to buy it. Not that big. But anyway, so in each cylinder, combustion happens, right? And that's what powers the car. So the way it works is there's a piston inside the cylinder, and the piston descends. And when that descends, it sucks in air and fuel, which is in this case gasoline. The gasoline and the fuel, or gasoline and the air, sorry, mix, and then the piston gets pushed back up through the cylinder to compress both of them. And once it's all mixed up and compressed, a spark ignites, and this creates a combustion reaction. This combustion turns the chemical energy that's stored in the fuel into heat and light energy. Consequently, it also pushes the cylinder back down, or the piston inside the cylinder rather, and that allows for expansion and stuff, and that's what keeps the engine going, the piston going up and down. So after the combustion happens, piston goes back up through the cylinder, pushes out all the gross stuff out of the exhaust port. So fuel comes in, compressed, it ignites, and then it comes down and shoots it back up again. Well, I think you guys have seen all that there is to see in my house. Thanks for watching this episode of Physics Cribs, and I'll see y'all later. Alright, see you, Ross.
Okay, see you, bud. Let me respond to my mom quickly here. If I don't respond to her, she sends me passive aggressive text messages. It's nearly elastic without hitting your phone. The physics behind billiards involves billiard ball. I'm a good son.